Did you know that millionaires typically have at least 7 streams of income? Imagine waking up to fresh deposits in your account, all while you sleep. That's the power of passive income. Many believe making money requires constant hustle, working long hours and endless effort. Yes, building passive income requires upfront work, but once established, you can sit back and watch your income grow. The key is to find effective ideas and steer clear of the scams. Let's explore some proven strategies for earning money while you sleep. First up is dividend-paying stocks. Companies like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson reward you for owning their shares. You can earn an annual return of 2% to 5%. Reinvesting those dividends can amplify your profits through compound growth. Next, we have real estate rentals. Purchase a property and rent it out to collect monthly earnings. Platforms like Roofstock and Fundrise simplify investing, so you don't need to be a full-time landlord. Another option is affiliate marketing. Ever clicked on a product link in a video? That's affiliate marketing. Promote products through your links and earn commissions on sales. Companies like Amazon and ShareASale are great places to start. Have a skill to share? Create and sell online courses. Whether it's photography or baking, platforms like Teachable or Udemy allow you to package your knowledge and sell it repeatedly. If you have a spare room, consider renting it out on Airbnb. This is especially lucrative near tourist attractions or business centers. Automate your bookings for a hassle-free experience. You can also sell digital products. Create ebooks, planners, or templates and sell them on sites like Etsy or Gumroad. Once created, these products bring in profit without additional work. Let's talk about Sarah, a 29-year-old nurse from Austin. She began selling fitness guides on Etsy, charging $15 per download. Now she earns over $4,000 monthly in passive income, all while maintaining her full-time job. Sarah's success shows that smart work beats hard work. Each of these passive income ideas can change your financial future. Whether investing in stocks or selling your expertise online, there's an option for everyone. So which of these ideas excites you the most? Get inspired, take action today. If you want more tips on achieving financial freedom, check out my next video focused on effective side hustles that really work.